Hi, it's Finn here from South Molton Fine & Country.
And it's Ginny here from Fine & Country in Dolverton.
We're absolutely ecstatic to welcome onto the market this period residence behind us. It's detached, has 4 bedrooms and gardens of almost an acre.
This fantastic home is located just on the edge of Tiverton with fantastic road links to North Devon, the M5 and also Tiverton Parkway.
So without further ado, let's go on in and take a look.
This fantastic home enjoys south-facing views and has character features throughout. It has been renovated to extremely high standard and offers fantastic spacious accommodation.
The gardens behind me are a huge part of the lifestyle change that you could enjoy. This really is a rare opportunity, so don't miss out. Please give our offices a call and we look forward to speaking to you soon.